Imagine, tatawid ka lang, nasa airport ka na. Alam nyo ba na magiging accessible din ito sa future subway station? At ang best part, i-upgrade at i-extend ang NAIA Terminal 1. Plus, may pre-appliances ka na kapag kumuha ka. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Gold Residences, ang prime investment spot right across NAIA Terminal 1. Imagine, tatawid ka lang, nasa airport ka na. Sobrang perfect for travelers, investor, at lalo na sa mga gustong magparent ng unit for daily staycation. Pero guys, hindi lang yan. May super good news ako para sa inyo. Wow. This month, meron tayong exclusive 10% promo discount. Ibig sabihin, napakalaking tipid nito para sa mga investor. Plus, may pre-appliances ka na kapag kumuha ka. Amazing! Including front-load washing machine, split-type aircon, dining set, refrigerator, water heater, vanity mirror, sofa and lamp, television and center table, bed and cabinet. For phase 1, you can also get maximum of 15% discount if no furnishing package. So meron kang options. Imagine, move-in, ready ka na agad, fully furnished na ang unit mo, wala ka nang iintindihin pa. At hindi lang yan, Gold Residences offer complete amenities na siguradong mai-enjoy ng mga future unit owners and tenants. Alam nyo ba na magiging accessible din ito sa future subway station? Nandyan ang NAIA X at ang best part, i-upgrade at i-extend na parang Singapore Airport ang vibes ng NAIA 1. Ang lupit, di ba? Sobrang ideal nito for rental investment. Based sa research, may 12,156 flights na dumarating sa Manila Airport kada buwan. Ibig sabihin, may average na 405 flights per day or 17 flights per hour. Grabe, di ba? Every 4 minutes may dumarating na eroplano. Meaning, hindi ka mauubusan ng renters for daily staycation. Sulit na sulit for rental business. Pero guys, hindi lang yan. Gold Residences is SMBC first township project. Kaya expect na may commercial space sa loob ng vicinity. Meaning, everything you need is within reach. May mall, may restaurant, may coffee shop, may SNR na walking distance lang. Kahit laundry, shopping, or massage. Lahat nandito na. Sobrang convenient. At kung naghahanap ka pa ng ibang key location na malapit dito, ito pa. Singapore School, Manila, 2.5 km. Olivares General Hospital, 3.3 km. Pats College of Aeronautics, 5.4 km. SM City Sukat, 3.4 km. Perfect for student, working professionals, at travelers. Nakaka-excite talaga ang mga infrastructure project dito sa Gold Residences. So paano ba mag-avail ng unit? No spot down payment, monthly start at 24,000 for phase 2. Reservation fee is 50,000, deductible sa unit price. As you can see, ito na ang latest construction update ng Gold Residences. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Invest now at huwag nang palampasin ang chance na ito. kayo, message for more details. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bells for more investment opportunities. See you in my next video.